He's our chauffeur. He took us to Anime Punch 2008. That's Rock Lee. She was a sexy no jutsu Rock Lee from the village hidden in the sand. It's Achi. Kinda bunny-like right now. Hood undone. Sasuke not in cosplay. Yeah, Sasuke not in his cosplay. Naruto-kun?
He's
trying to eat sesame chicken with chopsticks for the very first time, and he accomplishes it! Applause, applause, round of applause, round of applause. And
Hey, not the time. With kitty ears. Aw, so cute.
kinda
Not in her cosplay, but look at my amazing shirt.
have the same one. Calamari. Squid. That's rice.
Really?
Shut up.
Salad.
That's a soup with seaweed, tofu, and onion, sesame seed chicken. That's a salad that Naruto ate.
More rice.
Oh yeah, eat some
A
calamari.
miracle is about to occur.
Sakura eating seafood. Oh my goodness. And her big mouth.